What we have here is a package. Came all the way from Chang Chong, China. The city. Let me open this up and show you what we got. Boom. So what we have here is the Ulanzi V2 vlogging gear. Now, I don't know that this is what it was called when I ordered it. I believe it was under a different name. One of the main reasons I picked this up is because the fact that my mic adapter is just sometimes dangling. I saw this, I was like, that was only like 20-25 bucks, something like that. I can give it a look and, you know, see what it does. As you can see with my current GoPro setup, my adapter just kind of flaps around. So that was the main part. I don't know that I'll fully just change over to it. I do like the red. I mean, it's not necessarily it's got to be red, but it is eye-catching. That's the one that I wanted. But now, you know, we're just kind of switching it up a little bit, and we're going to see exactly what we can do, make sure it's able to accommodate everything that we need. You know, we got our dead cat Rode microphone case, which actually kind of like buckles and ties down like this. I hope that this picture is good. Well, actually, I'm looking at the picture. The picture looks great. Like, these are spirit hands. Nah, real talk though, y'all. So, got your GoPro. I've always been a little bit skeptical of them, so I was like, well, you know, this is something I can actually use. I'd be curious to see, you know, what it is. So first impressions. I guess it looks like it's supposed to look. Our first, I guess, concern or whatever would be that it fits onto our stand here. And actually, that all black is not a bad look either, if I'm being completely honest. It's actually kind of more of a stealthy look, you know, with the all black here. So you have that back part that slides out, so you can insert your GoPro like that. Seems to slide in, not have any issues. Bing, bing. Basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna feed this. You're gonna feed this through on this side. Yeah, so you get that, you just feed it in that way. Your adapter slides in, and then the only thing that you have exposed for your setup is just a little wire right there, and that's gonna curl over pretty nicely, as you can see there, and that's all. You then can go back and install your microphone, and bada bing, bada bang, bada boom, man. That's pretty much it. Everything seems to fit the way it was supposed to. I mean, not too expensive. It looks like it's gonna do what it was supposed to do. You know what I mean? I really don't know what else to say. As far as build quality, I mean, it feels pretty solid, but I mean, only time will tell. Like I said, I do kind of like this all black look a little bit more. Not to crap on my red case, because I still like that too, but I do like this look for you know, maybe different events and stuff like that. So mostly because of me being able, for my adapter on the bottom for this GoPro thing actually being it's not dangling all over the place now. It's stable, so you don't really have an issue with that. So the next video we're gonna do, I will shoot it with this, and you know, we'll see. We'll go from there. I mean, the setup is the same. The only difference is it holding the mic. So I mean, you'll get the same great quality you're always used to. So it's your boy LSF254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. Gone. Alrighty, so as you can see, I'm about to cook dinner. I just installed this Ulanzi vlogging gear joint, and I mean, it seemed to be, I guess it seemed to be doing what it's supposed to do. It's holding the little microphone adapter so it ain't dangling everywhere. Nothing really special. Let's go outside and see. As you can see, I've been working on cleaning up the garage and stuff. Making some good progress with that. So, happy about that. Although shit is piling up on the colors, but we got our walkway and shit. So yeah, I just wanted to come out here and see. I mean, it is kind of extra bright. But yeah, I mean, it does kind of have like a little shield where you can still see inside or the screen or whatnot. Like I said, it wasn't nothing really extravagant, man. It was just 20-something bucks. I saw it. It popped up on my Facebook feed. I wanted to see if it was, you know, I guess the hype. The advertising for it is totally different. As you can see, the box it came in, it was actually advertised on social media or on Facebook as like pro Nomad. And like I said, a lot of this stuff looks sketchy. But I mean, it does what it's supposed to do. I'm pretty sure I might be able to go back and research that other company name or whatever, and I might be able to find the same exact thing, and maybe even possibly for cheaper. I can say that I can actually see my the time, how long it's been, a little bit better, the settings. Not that I really needed to. I mean, as long as it's recording, doing what it's supposed to do, that's really all I needed. It holds the microphone the way I need it to. I mean, what more do you need? What more can you ask for? So, with that said, you know what I'm saying? That's pretty much it. So, finna get back in here and cook this dinner, man. It's your boy LSF254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. Gone.